Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cannot complete action. This action cannot be completed at this time. For example, if you have recently created a family sharing account and you want to invite your family so that they can also connect to your family sharing account and enjoy the subscription. But if you click on invite people and or you create an account, then you can simply see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? Well, this is what you have to do. You have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to scroll it down and you have to find transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to go back and check again the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can also go for reset all settings. Moreover, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here. And after that, you have to simply click on family sharing setup and you have to check whether you have created the family sharing account successfully and it is working properly or not. Moreover, you can also check your payment methods and you have to simply check whether your payment methods are correct and working properly. Moreover, you can also go to media and purchasing and check your payment settings. Moreover, what you can do next is you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem. You have to simply connect to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for some time so that this error may be due to server error in the Apple. And after waiting for some time, you have to simply try again. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the Apple discussion and explain your problem in Apple discussion so that any user which have come into that problem can guide you in a better way, so how they solve the problem. So in this way you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.